I did contact other companies that I seen advertised on TV, and I chose LJ Stone because it looked more professional and it looked better. Oh yes, he was very nice and very kind. He cleaned up well after himself, and he was very, very nice. I like the look of it. I like how they made the shower look. It looks very nice. Yeah, he's got dementia and cancer, so it will help him. He has a hard time stepping up over the bathtub, so this is going to help him a lot.
So
I love it.
It is done. This is going to be your hot and cold up front.
Okay.
This is going to be your turn on.
Okay.
So I already turned it on and checked that there's no leaks. Everything's good to go. Wand. This is going to operate your wand only. Okay. So if you turn this handle this way, it's going to do the head.
Okay.
This way is going to do the wand.
Okay.
All right.
But the one you can't pull down, right?
Yep. Wand you just put or just pull.
Yeah.
And when you put it back, you put it in first, hot, and then push.
Yeah.
Other than that, you're pretty much good. You have to give it 6 hours to dry. So
I like the corner shelves.
you like the corner shelves?
I do. I do.